Hey guys, today I hope I don't crash.
And now,
Today I'm gonna solve a problem that I have with skateboarding, which is I have a lot of hole on my left shoe, my left skate shoe. So I thought about maybe getting some repair kit, but one of the things that popped is the what do you call it? A shoe goo. So I'm gonna get a shoe goo. I'm gonna get a shoe goo. I'm gonna get a shoe goo. All right, let's go to the hardware store. Yeah, here. Go around here. Oh, here. Yeah, it's right here. This is it. All right, we'll get one of these.
People are looking.
All right. Okay. All right, let's go test it out. All right, so I got 3 pairs of shoes here that I skate with. All of them damaged, mostly on the left side. This one's really damaged. I could put my finger through it. This one here, getting there, and that one. This one is damaged in the bottom, so I'm gonna try to patch that up. All right, let's try the shoe goo.
La 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 la.
This one first, but hold on. Let's clean it. Let's apply it.
Ah.
A little bit more here. All right, I've covered the spots that I wanted to repair on this shoe. Let's move on to the next one.
Here.
Right here. I think that's enough. That's enough. And I think that's good. All right, this one. Now, maybe I should put something to reinforce it here. All right, so I've cut a piece of like just clear plastic and I put it inside here. You see that? Just so the thing won't go through.
MacGruber, making life-saving inventions out of household material.
All right, I'm done applying it in this one. Put a lot. Seems to be holding up good in this part. So now they need to cure for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
The shoe glue has cured. So as you can see, it has hardened
gets him in the whoopsies part, not the made through.
on where I have applied it on the shoes. All right, let's check this one. This one was the worst one. Now the shoe glue has hardened, but still it's flexible. Let's check this one. And here, New Balance, Jamie Foyce.
Jamie.
Yeah, I mean, they look ugly, but it looks like it's gonna last maybe a few kickflips. Okay, let's see what happens when we do some kickflips. Look, it went through here and a little scuff, but it's holding up. All right, let's do some more tricks. All right, let's go check out the shoes. So on the side here, it's cuffed up nice, but it's holding up really, really well. Here it's kind of coming off because I didn't really put that much there. But if I can reapply some more, man, this thing will last long.
This is it.
In the bottom, it's kind of peeling. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's the rubber to this is not contacting well, but still pretty good. Pretty good.
This is the answer.
Will give your shoe a little bit more life, but I mean, depending on how hard you skate, how long you skate, it will come off eventually. And one thing about it that I don't like really is that it looks so ugly. Like, look at that one. Anyways, I'm gonna do more testing with them and let you guys know in the future. But for now, they're okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.